folks, and welcome to video number 4 of Barnadown Model Railway. Today's video is a bit of a divergence from what I previously said in the video number 3. I'm going to have a running session today because I've been pretty busy with work, and I haven't really been able to get to do much on the railway. So I'm going to be running my Hampleys steam locomotive on a DC controller. Now this model railroad will eventually be a DCC, and I'll be using iTrains to control it. I've set it up on my computer already, but just haven't connected all the track and dropped all the wires and connected everything yet. Obviously that's an ongoing process and it's going to take some time. So without further ado, let's get into the running session, and I hope you enjoy it. And until the next video, take care and goodbye.